Alright, we're gonna do part 2 of the www.mit.edu. Now, if you got the paper with you, you need to open the command prompt and open Wireshark, which we already did. We put in here. After we put nslookup, we put nslookup /time equal ns.mit.edu to find, and we see this. Alright, so first off, what is the IP address in the DNS query message sent? Okay, the IP message. Yeah, when the query. $53, the same. So we write the IP address of the DNS query message Oops, I got it confused. No, you want the IP, not the source and destination point. The IP is 192.168.16. So then we write it's 192.192.168.16. Yeah, 168.1. Is this the IP address of your local DNS server? So then we need to go to here. We put IP config /all. And for the DNS, yeah, that's a local DNS. Okay. This, we say the IP address is the same as of the local DNS server in its default setting. Okay, examine the DNS query message. What type of DNS query is it, and does the query message contain any answer? Alright, so what type of DNS query is it? Okay, query. Let's close this. The query is type A. Class I. And does it contain any answers? No, there's no answer, just the query. DNS query message is type A. The message contains only query, meaning no message. No. no message, no answer. But no answers. Alright. And for number 18, examine the DNS response message. What MIT name does the response message provide? Does this response message also provide the IP address the MIT name set? And then the screen. So let me look at those later. We'll begin with those later a bit. Alright. As we open Wireshark, we got the type A of the queries. And the answer we got a bit of D in query. But I'm not sure. But let's open. Okay, in each tree we got the name, we got the CMA, the class, the time of day, the data length, and how should I say a bit? Yeah, there are three answers, so we could say, but they're asking the IP address, IP. Hold on. So we can write it contains so I think I might need to fix number 5 here on the last question a bit. So it contains three answers with the type of query, the data lane, the time to live, the class, and the name and the host address. So then we write the query type, time to live, CMA. Time to live, the date lane. Now normally not all of them contain it, but I'm listing what they are in. Query type, time to live, CMA, data lane, and hold on. I think yeah, and the name. Yeah, the name. This response method will provide the IP address of the MIT name server. The address. Yeah, we got the address of the MIT .edu. The response message provides the IP address www.mit.edu. And so then we do a screenshot. You put file, print, select the packets only. A5, we put save. We open here. And as you can see, yeah, that's how we see it. Alright, let's close this. I'll put the video on pause.